welcome to our super theme this entire week, which is going to be Suit Yourself Up with me. Yes, so you're going to be seeing some beautiful options all of this entire week. Each live curated especially for you to create this beautiful unique colors combination that you absolutely must have. Okay, so that's going to be the entire theme, and yes, really excited for this Suit Yourself Up because you're going to be seeing definitely an option that you're going to absolutely love. और मेरा हमेशा यही कहना है that the moment you see something that you absolutely love, cannot resist, that is the time you should go for it, like right away. Okay, so it's going to be an interesting one. We're going to be showing you, of course, colors of this set that I'm wearing, which is Bahar, which is super pretty, super nice. Okay, it's always go-to look, like you can never go wrong with it. जो ये complete look मैंने पहना है, you know, if you're going to see this entire look that I'm wearing, this is 1800 per meter, this fabric, okay? And then you're going to go for, if you're going for a Chanderi dupatta, so I'm going to tell you that you have two options, okay? You have two options, and there is always going to be one which is, yes, this is, so one is with Kota silk. You've seen me earlier wear Kota silk too. So Kota silk के साथ अगर आप लेते हैं and we have a style video, then it's 10,550. But if you're going to be doing with this Chanderi one and that's a plain bottom, then 10,150. That is 2.5 meter kurta, dupatta and a plain bottom. Now let's make it 5 meters plus this dupatta and it's going to be 12,200. So this Chanderi dupatta, 5 meters of fabric, and there you go. And now let's show you all the beautiful colors that we have for this particular, you know, look and fabric. Now what I'm going to show you is this one. This is all 1800 per meter, and it's a great piece for you to be trying, for you to be wearing like a same on same. Okay, now this is the same thing that I'm wearing, but this is of course in white. Go for a white Kota silk or a Chanderi, both will look amazing. That's the flower, and I think it's really pretty. चाहे आप कोई भी color इसमें pick up करें, you cannot go wrong. Okay, just very quickly to show you, this is what I'm wearing. It's been a bestseller for some time now. It is readily available to ship, so there's always that extra joy कि pre-order पे नहीं है, तुरंत ship होने के लिए है. And this entire week, whether you see a dupatta, I'm also just going to show you some premium cotton fabric, in fact, and I'm also going to give you the match for that. Oh, that's stunning. 4,500 for 2.5 meter. Of course, orders below 350, the shipping will be extra. And I tell you, this simple thing like a black Kota dupatta, I don't know how long after we have kind of restocked it, for the reason that whenever we have a black, it's always like just coming and going, coming and going. You know, we never have enough. Now look at that, how gorgeous that looks. This is a Kota silk. So if you're going to go for, you know, 5 meter plus dupatta, then it's just going to be 12,600, and it's just so pretty together. Okay, and like you cannot go wrong with these suits. You can choose, यार, you know, मुझे एक नहीं, you know, 2-3 looks चाहिए. You join one live and, you know, you'll find something, not one something, you'll find many things to buy. You know, I should in fact also rename this entire live as something. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Very, very pretty. It's not going to be a very long live. It's going to be something that's short, that's sweet, that's instantly there, all for a range. So that I'm very mindful for. And I was coming to that, you know, if you say that, you know, I have a particular range, you know, a lot of you say, you know, I have a total budget of 20,000, 30,000, or मुझे कुछ sets चाहिए. How, what can I get, you know? And then there used to be this whole thing, कि अरे नहीं में तो नहीं मिलेगा ऐसा, you know, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. But that's not true, actually. If you're going to be suiting yourself up all of this week with, oh, that's incredible. I think that's so pretty. That if you even come, say, you know, you have a budget of 30K and you say that, you know, I want a couple of looks, all of that is going to be possible. Acha, the thing with Bahar always is that when you see it is the time to get, okay? Because now you'll see these beautiful, lovely colors. We also keep very limited in white. Oh my God, isn't that stunning? Okay, that is oh, this is so pretty. Just look at this whole look. 5 meters plus dupatta. अगर plain bottom लेते हैं तो then it's of course a little lesser. But look at how pretty it is. Each one super nice. Come place your order. Okay, don't Okay, because we have said it's a suit yourself up week. Okay, don't think that Friday ko you will say then, I wanted that one. I was thinking I will see everything together in order to nahi shayad mile. So my point is that I'm sure that you will see some lovely pieces, but if you love this one, okay, and this is something you've been waiting for, then now is absolutely the time. Whether you wear it, whether you gift it, there's such amazing, I really think we should do this very short content where we can tell you how we are making the most beautiful. Oh, look at that. Lovely. This is such a, this tomato red. To me, this is tomato red. To you, what is it? Okay, so to me that, I like that, and I love the fact that we have some green in it. Looks pretty, very, very wearable, each one of these. And we are down to the last, I think, 2 colors with it. Okay, so we're down to the last 2 colors with it that you can go for. Anything from that green which will kind of go with this, or even a pink, a dusty pink would look really nice. Look at that. That's a really nice one as well. And now maybe this is 2.5 meter. So, and I'll show you 2 options. Let's show you how this pink looks with it. It also looks very pretty. So chanderi dupatta hai pink mein, and you see. So this one combination, you can do this. Okay, I think it looks damn neat. Or you can do all same on same. That also looks pretty nice. Okay. Now I'm going to go on to this one, which is this really nice peachish color, and all with a plain bottom. You can have it, you can take it, you can wear it like that as a set. Here you go. Okay, so there you go. That's your with a plain bottom. Looks incredibly pretty. Okay, and you can, yes, take it by the meter as much as you want. I know so many of you have gone for casual looks. You've gone for dresses and even cords. Like mera cord to kurta and bottom hai, but you can even go for like a top type style, long or short, to wear with it, and that will also look really nice. Okay, now with this one I'm going to show you a very beautiful green. Okay, so look at that. I think it's really pretty with it. Look at that. Do you have a soft pink? I would have liked a soft pink if you had. Yeah, that's good. That's very good actually. So look at that. Here it is. This is super, super nice. Very pretty. Okay, it looks great to me. Iska of course thoda sa daam badh jayega. So can we do this 9,000 plus 5,800? Okay. So I'm going to do that. Okay, how are you going to be booking this? You're going to take a screenshot, come on WhatsApp and place your order. So isme, okay, if you're going to go for 5 meters and then a tassel wala dupatta, even then 14,800, and such a brilliant formal look that you have. And iske saath मैं आपको दोनों तरीके से दिखाऊंगी. I'll show you this very pretty combination, and then this also really, really pretty. And look at that. Here it is. Okay, now very important for you to remember that when you get these dupattas, okay, they will have, like this one has a pink and gold. Like, so sure, if you get the first piece, then it's pink and gold. But follow up mein sare hi pieces mein, it will be only gold tassels, which can be instantly shipped. If you want this color thing, then you will have to give us time, and you have to also mention it very expressly. It's going to take 15-20 days, okay? So that's the thing. Otherwise, I think it looks really nice. Otherwise, they'll all be gold. Okay, so wasn't that wonderful? I'm also going to come to something like this. I'm going to show you some dupattas which are all in this wonderful range. और एक और चीज है कि उनमें सब यूनिक है दुपट्टेज. You can just go for any dupatta you like. Now this one, and they're all in this range, okay? And like, look at that. That's lightweight. It's pretty. This has got Meena, and I think it looks incredible. So even if you're doing like a plain chanderi nice suit, guff chanderi ka agar aap suit karte hain, I think it looks really nice. Look at that. Just dupattas. Try it out. I'm going to show you a couple of these dupattas, and I'm just seeing ki isme is there a, yeah, so these are like the 10,800 and really nice. Look at that. This is such a neon hot color. So jab ye bhi baat aati hai, you want to try it for the first time, then it's also good. And also, maybe you don't want to try it for the first time. You've tried so many, but right now, and you've bought many heavy pieces, but aaj ke din you want something light and breezy, and you want to be able to enjoy it right away. Okay, now I would love to say summers, but I'm like surrounded by rain. We're in Mumbai. Monsoon has hit early. And I think, all preps, because the moment rain comes, everybody's prepping for the forward season, which is shadi and festivals and like full on, big on, okay? So while I'm really happy because of course that's when our main season starts. So yes, you should get your prep ready for the season that you're going to come to. And meanwhile, also enjoy the light, flirty, beautiful collection that we have for you for this current season, be it rain, be it hail, be it storm, be it summers. Okay, I'm going to be easy on that. But that's also the joy of these pieces, that no matter what and when, you can be, look at that. Now, so rich, so lovely. When is it that you cannot really wear it? You can wear it anytime, okay? This is a light crepe and there is this textured feel to it. And you can wear it anytime, this dupatta. So, मैं बहुत सारे ऐसे दुपट्टे भी आपको दिखा रही हूँ. And yes, I do have the most stunning color in Florence, which has just come. And you know, I'm going to fit it under 20k. So okay, I'll show it to you how I'll fit it, but I will. Okay, so this is wonderful. This is linen dupatta, very soft and easy, 7,400. Okay, so what you're also seeing are unique pieces which are extremely beautiful, which are there for you today. Like for something like this, it's what I have. This is what I have, and this is what I can give you, and it's like absolutely amazing. Think about any color from this. You want to kind of suit it up, and it's going to look absolutely beautiful. Okay, there you go. Look at that. I love this whole color, all of them right here with the tassels. I would just want to show it to you with the tassels because it's gorgeous. Okay, it's perfection. Wear it in a more stylish way, drape it easy, all of that is possible. Now that dupatta, you should check the price. I don't have the details right now. This one is of course 10,800 and it's very pretty. Okay, so now these I'm wearing and showing it to you because अगर आपने ये दुपट्टा choose किया है and अगर आपने इसके साथ चंदेरी choose की है, whether it's a soft one or whether it's a guff one, either ways it'll go. Okay, now if you don't tell us, we'll always go for the guff one too. You have to tell us whether you want the guff one or the premium chanderi one. Now look at that, that's also really pretty. What a nice green color, light, easy, wearable, just enjoy them. A very nice 12,800 Georgette dupatta that you can kind of pair with any look that you've been wanting to. So you want to complete a look, you want to make it like pretty, like I'll tell you how. Okay, like this. Now just see this, it looks so amazing, this whole look right there for you. I think it's very, very nice, this whole color. So it can be nice. And the good thing is that, for a lot of fabrics, I always say that agar aap say chanderi cotton silk se dye kara rahe ho, so it's a little difficult, okay? But if you have Georgette, then it's really good to dye. Okay, something very important for all of us to understand, and of course we work with these fabrics day in and day out. My job is to give you, when I dye a piece, is to give you a really perfect, good color dyed matched look. Okay, and we're very good at it. Okay, but there will always be a color difference when you go for a yarn dyed piece and when you go for a dyed piece. How you create colors, what is the season, is there sun, is there sunshine, okay? And those are factors beyond anybody's hand, but they will be matched to the T, but there will always be that slight variation. If you're somebody for whom 4-5% of variation is not okay, then the only thing that you should be going is a same on same look or suit sets with which we make our fabrics, the bottoms yarn dyed. Of course, they come at a price. That's the whole point of it. They will come at a price because it's super expensive to make a plain fabric on the loom. But if that's the perfection that you're seeking, then those are the sets that you want to go for. And we're very, very clear on that. We are always very open. We always want to give you what's right. And yes, go for a same on same. That's one way to achieve it. And the second is a yarn dyed. But having said that, look at this, all of this. This dupatta has been dyed. It looks so gorgeous. Look at that. This is a chanderi fabric, a linen dupatta. And yeah, this dupatta is 18,800. This fabric is 2,250 per meter. Originally, they were planned separately because yes, they do fall in the range. If you do want to kind of pair them together, surely you can do that. जैसे अब ये फैब्रिक को आप कैसे पहनेंगे in this range, this is what I'm going to tell you. This is a beautiful, the same fabric in this light blue. Can I do the math? 2250 into dye plus 2450 and whatever, anyone which goes better. Okay, I'm going to go for this one, okay? So, what is that? And plus 5800. Yes. So, okay, so that's 11425. No, but I want a plain bottom. 2450. So then I want a plain bottom also. So then I'm just telling you the maths. This is going to be 13875 diameter. This gorgeous dupatta, and yes. And I know there are so many of you. I'm just seeing, if I just see, I see. Jaldi se agar main dekhti hu there, I see that so many of you are joining for the first time, and it's so exciting when I have all of you join in for the first time, because yeah, 2 colors I've shown, so those are the only 2 colors. Because for me, it's something that we really do want to work with you on. Now I wanted these things, okay? Now can I have the maths? Very simple, 7,800 into dye plus 750 into dye. I just want that. Now what I'm showing you is the most glorious new color of Lawrence, and this is 6,800 per meter. But if you're wondering, this is 6,800. So this will be $1,000. So this will be exactly 20. So basically you're doing, can I have, this is, yeah. So this is going to be the maths, yeah? This is, no. We are going to do, I'll tell you what we are going to be doing. We are going to be doing poplin bottom with this one. Forgive me. Okay, 18,875. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, now how are you going to wear this in 18,875 as a 2-piece set? Is that you're going to wear this beautiful blue color, okay? And just look at how fresh and amazing it is. It's an aqua blue and it's so good, okay? It's so good. This is the newest in Florence. And then you're going to wear, because this palette has been made with white poplin bottoms, which are meant to be like these crisp pants. And if you're going to do that, if you're going to do a, poplin bottom, it's going to be for 18,000 something, 18,000 something. So yes, 875. So yes, definitely this is a poplin fabric, super crisp and white, okay, 100% cotton. And then you're going to wear this, okay, and then you have, you know why? Because this is like really formal. Of course, you can do a same on same. Agar aapne same on same bhi kiya, to bhi it will be, no, not same on same. Like if you do a plain chanderi, which is matched, color matched, then it is like 17,000 and 2450. Okay, so that's the maths. Okay, just 17,000 2450. So no. Guys, our values are all over the place. It will be 19,450. Okay, for diameter of this and plain color matched chanderi. If you're going to go for poplin, which I think looks super cool, then it's going to be something, it's going to be a little less, 18,875. Okay, so this premium fabric, there's always a way to make it work. Okay, and maybe even better, you have a white bottom, then just get the kurta. Maybe you can add a light kota silk dupatta or the 3,200 chanderi dupatta. You can do that. But there's always a way, and I'm going to show you 2 colors which are working so beautifully together, which is these 2, which I think looks great. Okay, look at that. Really, really nice and works very, very well. Now, these I'm going to just do separately. Okay, now look at that. This is a premium chanderi, and you can see that. Where's the Bhuta ones? I want to do the last Bhuta ones. Yeah, those. And as I said, it's not a very long live. Okay, it's just some great options in this range. That's what we are doing for you. Okay, look at that. That's a very nice flowy. Now, of course, it's suited up. Of course, it is about that you will see probably some more options tomorrow. But the thing is, ye to last hai. Okay, and so is the bahar. This is what I have, and this is what I'm showing you. So I'm showing you all nice, beautiful concepts that you can pick up. Now look at that. This is this wonderful shade, which is mauve, and I love the gold. Okay, it's absolutely amazing. And this is, of course, 3,800 per meter, and you can choose from any of these colors that you go for. Okay, so as a kurta, this is like 9,500, just the kurta. Okay, look at that, very pretty. I think this dupatta, okay, it'll take the range a bit higher, but I think it's pretty nice if you want to try it, because it'll go on the 20 se jada aage. But alag to sab sahi hai, it fits our range. Of course, it looks gorgeous together. But yeah, itni cheating chalti, right? I can show you a couple of options which may go a little higher, but it's only for the fact that we've shown them to you separately, but we want to show you them, as a set. Because say if you are in a mood today, or maybe you have the dupatta, then you can like create that kind of a look. Now this one, a peach, very pretty. Okay, now we're going to go for a pink like this. Yeah, I'm going to go for that set. And this one, now look at that, how pretty. Can we do this pink? Yeah, does that work? This dupatta. I'm just trying to check a couple of things. Yeah, very cool. It's a little more like a Rani. So I'm going to keep this aside, not get it here. But like a kota silk, nice dupatta will be very nice. You can do a same on same, and that ways it makes a very dressy look as well. Okay. And then this is like a true, mango color, or you could say more turmeric color. I think it's a proper haldi color. So when you're looking for the light outfits, one kurta gives you a very complete and different look. अब मैं एक चीज आपको दिखाती हूँ. I want to show it to you. It's a part of something else actually. It's a part of a different set. Okay, it's not a part of the same set, but I just wanted to show you because it's like so rich together. This dupatta 12,800, no tassels, and this is 3,800 per meter. So even if you're going for a 2.5 meter, okay, so 9,500, and then this dupatta, which is 12,000. So yeah, you're still there around that zone. So I want to kind of keep showing you options. Of course, आप just fabric ला सकते हैं, but the moment you see it, you want to kind of stick to a budget. Then you know यार कि मेरे पास वो रेड दुपट्टा बहुत अच्छा जाएगा इसके साथ. So yeah, then that's also a great option. Now there's one thing that I want to show you, and it is the most incredible piece that you will see. Okay, and it is the softest fabric that one can have a look at, and this is this is actually made in white, and it's dyed. It's pure cotton karwa fabric, and it's most fabulous. Okay, it is just amazing. This is of course 7,800 per meter. Okay, it still is under that 20k if you go for just the shirt. So my thing is, I'm going to show you suit sets, I'm going to show you just dupattas, I'm going to show you just fabrics, all in this range. And of course you can build it up, or you can just go for this fabulous fabric. Okay, and pure cotton, handloom, and of course we made a reel also about this one, I remember. So yeah, it's really nice. And now this is a very pretty combination if you'd like to go for it, with a red dupatta. The red can be this red georgette, or it could be a red kota, that's your choice, but it's a fabulous combination to be going with. Okay, and this cotton, if you have worn it, or if you're planning that this is something you should try, you absolutely must. This is also one single piece that I have for you. Okay, the next up is this one. This is a really bright and nice, and you can look at the sheen. There's again your fabric by the meter, you can get it. Okay, now look at that, that's a by the meter. It's again 3,800 per meter. Fabulous. Just wear it, dress it up, do a jal, all of those ways of wearing it. Next up is one dupatta. Okay, I'm not showing anything together, I'm showing them separately because we gotta make it work in the theme. Now look at that, that's a lovely one. This is a red dupatta. Okay, and it's just so gorgeous. It's amazing, the feel, the look, the softness. You gotta see it. Okay, you gotta see it. This one, now that one, I think it's really nice. Okay, so that's your dupatta. Now एक चीज इसके साथ मैं दिखा देती हूँ आपको, which is looking very perfect, is this fabric. This is like a baby pink with a red one. So yeah, you can see it right here. You can see the fabric. There you go. You can see the fabric. There you go. So this is like really soft pink, and plain bottoms do very well with it, which is Chanderi cotton, and then you just you can do a pop of red in a Chanderi cotton dupatta, or you can do a kota silk, or you can do just the softness of the baby pink. Okay, I wanted to show that set. So we've also done a lot of these amazing sets, which are going to be like this. So when we started out, this is what we did. Oh, look at that. It's like really hot, really pretty, and this kota silk dupatta. So when you're going for plain bottom ke saath, 10,550. When you're going for same on same, then which is 5 meters plus the dupatta, then it's going to be 12,600. Okay, and that's also what I'm wearing. So this is the whole look. I love the flowers here. You know, I think it looks pretty interesting, in fact. So you should go for a same on same. It just kind of makes it look dressy in the right way, and you know, without overwhelming. You know, so very pretty. Here you go. That's also Bahar for you, and thank you so much. Okay, it's great to have you here, and some lovely fabulous combinations for you. Now this is, of course, you've seen me wear this suit a lot with kota dupatta. Today I wanted to try it with a chanderi one because I think this chanderi is absolutely fabulous. So yeah, you should like go for it. Thank you so much for joining in. This fabric, the width, and I think most of the fabrics width, which one you have seen today, yeah, the ones that you have seen today are all 42, 44. As a bonus, you know, I want to do two fabrics which are very white and very nice. Is this, they're also dyed in fact, and look at that. So you can get this by the meter as much as you want. You can dye it. Hamesha dyeing, of course, yaad rakhiye ki when you're dyeing with something that you have, you're going to be, of course, going for like from a shade card, or of course you can dye it at your end, but wear it white. It's very pretty to complete your combinations and looks. Lot of stuff for you today to kind of pick up, so go for it now. Short, sweet, and really power packed one, and yes, suit yourself up with us this week.